Hi, and welcome to the SEO Toolkit overview for the Cortex e-commerce platform. To access your actual SEO toolkit for your site, you're actually going to log into the administration area of your website and see this little hourglass item called SEO Toolkit. You're going to want to click on that. And you'll be brought to this dashboard page here, and you can see that your particular site will have some information for you to analyze. And it'll also have some keywords and also some page SEO errors and information about your site. One thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to add some keywords over time to make sure that Cortex learns and understands about your particular store. That's what this keywords area is for, is to help Cortex understand what your store is about, what market you're in, and what vertical you're in, and also just try to help you do better within your SEO based upon those particular keywords. Let's come on over here to the actual competitors area, and we'll see, as you can see here, we have a competitor already within the system, and it's going to give us some information related to this competitor based upon some SEO data. And as you can see here, we can also check out a really cool feature of Cortex, which is this view links item. Now what Cortex has done is actually gone out and picked up some URLs from where this site is obtaining links from, and it allows you to go out and do the same thing. It helps you kind of do a little link research so you can go out and try to get some links from those areas as well. And as you can see, there's a lot of links on here. So let's hit back to the competitors and go ahead and add our own competitor. We'll go ahead and add a competitor of, and as you can see down here, Cortex is actually still gathering information on some of the competitors that we've already added. It takes about a day or two for Cortex to go ahead and analyze the competitors and get information back to you. So please be patient as Cortex goes ahead and does that. Let's go ahead and move on to the next area here. We'll click on page reports. Now Cortex actually generates a page report for each and every page on your website. And each page report contains information about what the SEO page score is, and also tells you what you're doing right and what you're doing wrong within the system. As you can see, there's a lot of metrics here that Cortex is helping you to rank better for this particular page. Now, as you can see right here, we have a different keyword than the actual page title, and what that does is that actually helps Cortex learn about what particular keyword you're trying to target exactly for this page. Cortex will try to figure out what that keyword should be, but you can go ahead and come in here and dial it in yourself, hit save, and now give Cortex about a day or two to try and figure out or rescore that page based upon what keyword you're trying to target. Let's jump on over here to this internal linking area. And as you can see here, we have this area where we can add new internal links. And what this does is this actually is very similar to sites like Wikipedia, where you can see that items and descriptions and content throughout a page, as soon as they use phrases like snowboard, those particular phrases link to the actual Wikipedia page on snowboards. So let's come over here and add a new phrase called new watches, and we're going to link that to this gents watches page. So we'll copy that in. We'll say, hey, we don't want to open this in a new window, and we'll say add internal link. Now as you can see here, we've added that as a keyword or phrase and a destination URL, so that when we come into actual products or categories or content pages and we click this edit product, we come down here and we add a description here. You can hit save. Now let's go to this actual product. And as you can see here, now this new watches item is automatically linked to this gents watches area. And it will do that for everything automatically. So you don't have to go in and edit and modify all of the items within your store to have the links and tediously be able to do that, it will actually go through as you edit the pages and automatically create those links for you. As we can come back and edit this particular product, you'll see that it's already it has the link within the system. So that's a really cool little feature of Cortex that allows you to create these phrases throughout your website so that you can link better or rank better. Let's come over here to the 301 redirects. And as you can see here, we have 301 redirects, and you can do some pretty cool stuff within here that allows you to go hello old url.html, and again we'll link to that Gents Watches page and hit add redirect. So that now when we come to our site here at the top and we go hello old URL HTML, again you're automatically 301 redirected to this Gents Watches page. It's a really simple and great way to add 301 redirects to your store. Let's go on in over here and check out the robots.txt. And as you can see here, you have a full little editor for your robots.txt file. Simply add or modify the file and hit save. And now your robots.txt file within your store has the right information for your search engines to analyze. Let's show you one other cool part of the SEO area within Cortex, and that is the actual real-time intelligence that you're going to get on each of your product category and blog pages. Now, as you can see here, the Cortex system is recommending keywords in real time based upon what type of title that you're putting in on this particular page. You can say, oh, let's do fossil watches for women. And now Cortex will actually analyze each of the areas within this particular site, or this particular page that have to do with this keyword. And it's going to say, hey, for this page title, you need to say the keyword is not particularly used in the title right now, and you need to start the title tag with the keyword. So let's go and let's do that. And now you can see that the page title has a green checkbox next to it, meaning that this actually is looking good and everything works perfectly. As you can see here, we'll just go through and it'll automatically move to the next item and give you advice on each of the particular items and whether or not what their status is. Now, another cool feature of Cortex here is that if you delete the URL, Cortex will automatically generate the URL that it thinks it needs to be. So that's a really cool feature as well. Again, that was kind of the overview of the SEO features within the Cortex system. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to email us, support@cortexcommerce.com. Thank you for listening, and there you have it.